This is step 2. It's K&N replacement breather. What we're going to pop the stocker off. We'll flip this around. Again, we've done nothing besides the NGK spark plugs, and now this. All these products are available to be shipped right to your door from boxoflube.com. Plugs are pre-gapped. Spark plugs ready to go. The air filter is pre-oiled. Just pop the cover off like how you see here. Put your replacement dome back on. Tighten everything down. Let's fire it up. Instantly we're at 67.4 horsepower, 73.3 foot-pounds of torque. When we started with the stock bike, other than a set of pipes, we had 62.89. We've made quite an improvement off of nothing more than, well, about $100 worth of parts.